Hey everybody, so I am going to show you how to remove the background from a photo on Canva. So first off, you want to create a design, and I will just go to YouTube thumbnail for now. All right, so let's say I just want to use one of these photos in here that I like, right? So I'm going to, I don't know where I went. Okay, so I'll just put like women. All right, so let's say I want to use, let's say I have a photo. All right, let's say I have this photo. And I love it, but I want to, let's say, get a different color background. Okay, let's say I took a photo like that, and I'm like, all right, this pink is not going with my image. So I want to click the photo, go to Edit Image, okay, Background Remover. Perfect. Look how perfect it came out. If, let's say, there's some pieces still that's showing that's pink, you could always erase it. This one was a pretty easy one to do. So I could definitely try a harder one. Okay, yeah, I was trying to find background. So I want to change the background to red. It looks like, red might be a pretty color for this. So you could either put a basic color or you could just find something like this if you want. And I kind of think this is kind of cool. All right, so sometimes this happens, okay? When it does, there might be an easier way to do this, but what I do is go back to my photo and just take the background. So what I do is I just go back to the photo and just take the background away again. It sucks to do that, but whatever. Sometimes you just gotta do it. It's weird. I don't know. It does that sometimes for when I put background, but when I put a photo in the background, it doesn't do that. So anyways, and you could just like make this smaller. You don't have to do that, but I like to do it. And then just make her as, big as you want. And there you go. That looks kind of pretty. I like it. All right, so let me try a harder image, okay? So I'll try a harder image, okay? With the crazier background to help you guys. All right, so let's say my background, let's say that. This looks a little harder. Because that plant. Oh man, this is not coming out right. It's okay. I can make it small. All right, so background remover. Okay, that looks really good. Let's say I don't want none of this. I just want her doing the sign language, okay? Then I'm gonna go to erase, okay? This is how big the brush size is gonna be. If you want it bigger, which we should have it a little bigger for now because we want to erase a lot. So just start erasing what you don't want from the picture. When you get over closer to the girl, just be careful that you don't. And then when you get closer, I like to use a smaller brush just in case. And if you want to see it better, just zoom in. You want to get a nice clean, um, a nice clean, image. And if you accidentally like that, it's okay. That's not that noticeable. If you accidentally get some on her, you can delete it. There. Or you can fix it. Voila. Looks pretty good. And then I just want to make sure, let's see if I got it all. I'm gonna zoom down a little. I mean, not zoom down, but scroll down a little. All right, it looks like I got it. I don't know what is up with this. I'm just gonna fix that like that. Bam. All right, and then done. Okay, and then we'll see how it looks after I put a background. So let me zoom back out. All right, so now I want to use. I'll just go for a color background. Pink, pink background. Okay. So I'll just use this just to use it. See, I really honestly prefer using photos instead of background for the background because I can position it. So look, position backward. So I found my girl again. She's back. And you wanna her head's cut off on the top, so you wanna just get her back in there. And then look at this. Look at that, right? So if that happens, you gotta fix it, right? So what you do is go back to edit image, do background remover again, and it might remove it, or you might just have to get the eraser tool and just erase it with your own hand. um, okay, so erased. So I already know it's this little piece right here. I'm just gonna go to it, bam, voila, that should be perfect. Yep, perfect. All right, so that's basically it. That is how you remove your background. So I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. That would mean so much. Thank you guys. Bye.